I took a car dealership with barely any social media presence and grew their Instagram from 116 followers to over 7,300 followers in less than 67 days. So TikTok saw a growth from 689 followers to almost 1,100 followers in the same time frame, and we generated over 250,000 views across YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. And here's the real win. Their car sales boosted by 400% in 3.5 months. And in this video, I'm about to break down exactly how I did it. So if you want to do same, keep watching. So let's start with the problem here. Jackie's Carport had very little brand awareness. First of all, their Instagram was barely moving. TikTok was pretty much dormant. As a result of that, they weren't tapping into the hidden opportunities that digital marketing could have brought them. I mean, they have great cars and all, but here's the thing. In 2025, if people don't see you, if nobody knows about you, then you technically don't exist. So I took the challenge. How do I take this car dealership from crickets to conversions? Now here comes the strategy.
Wait for it.
Laser focused content. I studied the algorithm. What are car buyers looking for? What content perform the best? And how do I make it work for us? So I doubled down on short form video because in today's world, attention is currency. And there's no platform that ensures this best than YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and TikTok. Instead of posting random car listings and pictures, I crafted story-driven, high-engagement content that made cars feel like experiences and not just products. Step 2. This is what I like to call trend jacking. I stayed ahead of trends and adapted viral formats that fit the dealership's brand. We weren't just posting, we were participating in car culture. I speak of car culture because Ghana is growing into a massive community of car enthusiasts where people from all over the country come together to share their journeys of their car builds, to show off their supercars, their hypercars, their sports cars, their EVs, their vintage vehicles, and probably their daily drivers. So combining this growing opportunity with high engagement content enabled us grow at an exponential rate. By exponential, I mean 6,600% increase in just under 3 months. So step 3, direct response advertisement. People tend to forget that Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts are businesses. It makes a lot of sense for you to pay Instagram to increase the chances of you getting seen by people who are not even in your vicinity or in your country. Executing this content strategy with paid ads is what gave us a leap. But I didn't just start by paying for ads and editing the videos at the same time. No, what I did was to edit one video per day 5 times in a week, push those to the various platforms, and at the end of the first month we had like approximately 22-23 videos. Then I edited a longer 30 to 45 second video and boosted that one in particular. That's what allowed people to come to the Instagram profile, the YouTube Shorts channel, or the TikTok profile, and then they were able to see all the other videos I had edited, which were like the 22-23 videos without boosting. And that is how we started growing properly. Filling the profiles with content was the most important thing, because in this world you can't do anything without content. Content is king. Getting more followers is great, but the most important thing to me was to be able to convert those views into more vehicles being sold. So I optimized every single piece of content to drive action with strong call to action. For example, saying contact us now and providing the user with the dealership's call number and their location gave them the necessary steps to proceed into the sales funnel. So after 3.5 months of applying this strategy, here's what we achieved. Instagram grew from 116 followers to 7,753 followers. TikTok grew from 689 followers to almost 1,100 followers. We achieved 250,000 combined video views across YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. Sales went up by 400% in just 67 days. And this is just the beginning. Imagine applying this framework to any other business apart from car dealerships. You are talking real estate, e-commerce, personal branding, you name it. And I know this may be a lot to take in because I'm trying to compress as much information as I can about my experience in a very short video. So what I've done is I have put all these things, structured everything properly inside a free PDF. I'll put a link down in the description below, and I'll also put it on my Instagram bio so you can go ahead and download it for free and have the value for yourself. Scaling your own brand, your business, or your personal account is actually very easy so far as you are patient enough and you are doing the right things at the right time each and every time. I probably might have been lucky because I was able to acquire these results in like 3 months for a different brand. But the most important thing is if you are consistent enough, if you're always learning, if you're always figuring out new ways to improve your business, to add value to people, the growth will naturally come. If you found this video insightful and helpful, a like and subscribe would make my day. I'll see you in the next video.